I'm actually being very lazy today. Well, not lazy, I'm just very tired. That's why I bring it to the car wash. Couldn't be bothered to wash it. Going to haircut now. I quite like this NS, like this. Is that NS now? It's the same as the NS200, it's just a fairing changing sport bike. It's nice. Just went to a haircut, I think he fucked my haircut. He fucked my, he didn't do it properly. I always do zero. I always do it at home normally. But today I felt lazy, you know. And I don't think it's nice. I think he missed some part. I'm just gonna do it again at home, basically. So this is not good. It's coming from there. So this one here, there's a joint. And then it's leaking inside this. It's not the big joint, it's the joint outside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to the old one. Especially we're going for a road trip tomorrow, so this one needs to be fixed. So when you take off, this is the air filter. When you take off the air filter, all the oil will go out. I just changed it last week, so I will get it back, put it back there. So yeah, always keep an eye on your bike. Whenever you see a leak, there's something wrong somewhere. Every drop count. So yeah, always check your bike, you know. My screw, actually, those one here and here, they were actually unscrewed, so I need to keep an eye on this too. If it's unscrewed next week again, not good, you know. So let's keep an eye. Let's always check every week. Tight all the bolt, tight everything. I put pressure in my tire every 3 days. 2 to 3 days depending, every time I put petrol, I think. Because the reason is I do 40 kilometers a day and I really need to take care of the bike, because if it doesn't start one morning I cannot go to work at all. I need to take the bus, not the tube, take the bus or jeepney, and it's gonna take me 3 hours to go to work. So you better keep an eye on it, you know. Stickers actually is not very nice anymore, does it? See, it's all scratched. It's been a year though. I have the sticker on, so maybe I change the bike. I buy a new bike and I get new stickers. What do you think? I'm thinking about, I don't know, maybe in 6 months, just check, you know, take my swing arm off and then, I don't know, sell my bike and buy a new one. Not sure what yet, so we'll see. Oh, why are you eating? Why are you eating? No, it's not for you, huh?
Very bad.
Kaya yung iba.
You don't taste anymore, it's a full spoon.
Hindi yan para pa taste.
No taste, it's...
Ano to, hindi nilalagyan ng sarso sa ibabaw?
Si Vice nga, magaw lang.
60 pesos lang yan eh.
Ano yun eh? Kabak sa maliit yun. Hindi ba nakabukod ng magay? Hindi, pero nandito yun. Parang nung kinuha mo yung tissue eh.
Papa, ito si Tita, may birthday ha? Ano sabi mo sa kanya? Happy birthday! Salamat kayo sa kanya. Kantaan ko happy birthday. Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Panginoon, maraming salamat sa nag-prepare ng aming pagkain para sa kanila po. Lord, thank you. Happy mo?
Wow! Uy, yung sumo! Give mo daw si Ninong. Give mo si Ninong.
Give me? Sarap?
Sarap na!
Ganyan lang papamayan natin. Tapos may palaro lang.
Oo, may palaro. Yan ang gawa yan eh.
Ay, sa kaya po yung mga wallet na gano'n.
Stop! Stop!
Iba nga, ano lang eh. Pakain eh. Ganun lang eh. Saan ba magpapapok? Sa tanong mo, saan ba magpapapok? Saan ba?
Forgi? You boy?
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my